Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how to close apps on your iPhone 13. Normally when you start an app like the settings or any other app like the App Store and I go back to the home screen, those apps aren't really closed. Those apps are now in the background and are sleeping. Some of these apps are not 100% sleeping, they're just waiting for a new interaction or a new signal so that they can do some things in the background. But those apps still remain in the background. And I can show you this while I am swiping up here at the middle, and then you can see all the apps that I have opened recently. So you can see I have here my App Store and I have my settings, and I can just easily switch between those apps while doing this. But you can see those apps are still open and I can close these apps. And these apps, you can close all of the apps if you just swipe up. And I can also swipe 2 apps at once up until there is nothing left. And I want to, and if I want to look if there is any app left that is in the background, you can see there isn't any app left. So if I want to open again some apps, and then I'll do the same thing, and here you can see again these 2 apps are opened, and then I can close these 2 apps. So it's pretty easy to close apps in the background of the iPhone 13. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would be really great if you could support us. We'll see us the next time. Bye bye.